is no internet.
What is this?
These are like some area they make it parking, you know. People can take the picture and there's a toilets. Washroom is here.
Okay.
So first we will go top, then come back, no? What do you think? You want to go here washroom?
I'll make washroom in the top.